Today we are going to simplify the two equation. One is in SOP form and another one is in POS form. And we try to simplify these two equations by using K-map. So we have the first equation which is in SOP form and the another equation is in POS form. And again we have something here which is don't care condition, the D. Here you notice that when it is in SOP case, here we write plus or sign, and in POS case, here we put a dot sign for AND gate. So it is very much important. You have to remember that is what sign is used when we use don't care condition. So let's try to first find out the or simplify this SOP equation. Here we have four variables, as in there is a function f, a, b, c, d. So let's try to make or draw the K map for four variable. So we have a, b, c, d, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So as we know how to put the numbers in the cells, so 0, 0, 0, 0, this one is 1, this is 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Now, as there is the sign of summation small m, that means it is in POS term. So for this number, for this corresponding numbers, we put 1 in the corresponding cells. So here we have 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15. And here we have some don't care condition also. So this is 0, 2 and 5. So as we know, we put a cross sign in corresponding cell when there is a case of don't care condition. So here we have 0, here we have 2 and a 5. So this is all about the K-map for this equation. Now we try to make the K-map for this particular equation, which is in POS term, AB. Similarly, we write the same thing. We draw the K-map 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Just put the numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. So try to put the corresponding numbers in corresponding cell. So then we have the number 4 as it is in POS form. So we try to put 0 in corresponding cells, not 1. So for the 4 is 0, 5, 6, 7, 8 and what was it is 12. We have some don't care condition also. Don't care condition 1, 2, 3, 9. Similarly, in don't care condition there is nothing. We put cross sign in SOP as well as in POS term. So 1, 2, 3, 9, 11 and 14. So try to make adjacency, combine the adjacency. So we have the first adjacency. Here we have the second adjacent. In this K-map, what we have, adjacent of 4. In this one, we have adjacent of 4. We using don't care condition here because there is cross. We combine 4 cells, but we have only 2 ones in 2 cells, but there is a don't care condition, so that we combine the 4 cell adjacency and leave all this, because we only try to use everyone. We try to make adjacency where a 1 in POS, so SOP, and there is a 0 in POS. So try to simplify the equation in simple form. So for this one, this particular adjacency, as we know, only A, C and D. Directly we write C and D. Why? Because all the 4 cells have common. C and D is common, and A and B is not common. C naught, D naught is not common. So we already discussed this in previous video, all these things. In this one, A naught, B naught. Here A naught, B naught, all 4 cells, and leave all this. This don't care, we don't need because there is no any one which we need to combine. In this SOP term, first of all, what is the common? So A naught and this is what? A naught B. A naught B. But as we know, it is just reverse in POS term. So this A naught B corresponding when it is in the AND form. So when we convert into OR form, just try to change the variable value. So this is A naught. For this A naught we write A, and this B naught we write this A naught we write A, and this B naught B for we write B naught. B naught. Here the sign of OR gate, because in these two the sign of AND gate. In for these two, what are the common terms? So C naught, D naught is common, and what is common? A is common, because 1 and 1, 1 1 1 0. So 1 is common. Sorry, A is common. For this one we write A. Here we have A. So for this one we try to write A naught, and C naught D. For this one we write C plus D. So this is the final equation for this one, and this is the final equation for this one. So these two K maps, these two equations, one is in SOP term and one other one is POS term, we can simplify using this type. So here we have a comparative study for those two. In next video, we are trying to define how a POS term equation is converted into SOP term, or how equation of SOP term can be converted into POS term. Thank you.